Pedestrian crossings. There are several different types of crossing. With all your crossings, the process is the same, regardless of the colour of the lights and if there are pedestrians nearby. 1. Check your inside mirror to see what is behind you and how close they are. 2. Ease off the gas, approaching at around 20 to 25 miles per hour, unless you have a reason to be slower. An example of this would be if a pedestrian was walking towards a zebra crossing, or if there were pedestrians waiting at a light-controlled crossing. 3. Scan and watch both sides of the crossing and the lights. Zebra crossings. On zebra crossings, pedestrians have priority over vehicles, so you must always stop if a pedestrian is waiting to cross. You can identify zebra crossings from a distance by the black and white posts and the flashing amber beacons on top. Pelican crossing. This stands for Pedestrian Light-Controlled Crossing. This crossing is on a timer, so when the light turns red, it will stay red for a set period of time, for example, 10 seconds. It will then change to a flashing amber light before turning green. A flashing amber light means that you must allow any pedestrians already on the crossing to finish crossing. However, if the crossing is clear, then you may go. Puffin crossing. This stands for Pedestrian User-Friendly Intelligence. As the name suggests, this is a smart crossing. There are sensors on the top of the crossing, meaning that when the light changes to red, it will stay red until the sensors detect the crossing is clear. Then, the lights will change to red and amber together. You must wait for the lights to turn green to go. Toucan crossing. Think of this one as two-can. It is a crossing for both pedestrians and cyclists. If you see cycle lanes on the path, you can expect a toucan crossing. Pegasus crossing. These crossings are primarily for horses, but can also be used by pedestrians. You'll typically find these in more rural areas. They are surrounded by wooden fencing to stop the horses from straying off, and one of the buttons will be located higher up so that a horse rider can press the button without needing to dismount. Other information to be aware of. Zigzag lines mean no parking or overtaking, as the view of the crossing will be obstructed. If there is traffic, you must always leave the crossing clear. To recap, there are several different types of crossing: zebra, pelican, puffin, toucan, and pegasus. When approaching a crossing, you check your inside mirror to see what's behind you. You slow down slightly so you can keep an eye on the crossing, looking for pedestrians and the lights to change. On zebra crossings, pedestrians have priority, so you must always give way to them. Pelican crossings are on a timer and have flashing amber lights. Puffin crossings are smart crossings, and the lights won't change until the crossing is clear. Toucan crossings allow pedestrians and cyclists to cross, and Pegasus crossings are for horses and pedestrians.